Sure, anywhere you want. You can go in the garden. Hey guys, I'm Archibald Chesterfield III. I'm just relaxing in my bedroom. And today I want to talk about getting your priorities right. Get your priorities right, and then life will flow. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury. And who do I recommend in America? In America, who do I recommend for quality pre-owned wristwatches? David SW, David SW, David SW. Go to davidsw.com. He is the best, the greatest pre-owned dealer in all of the United States of America. David SW, David SW, David SW. Hi guys, ArchieLuxury, and I got some magic came in the door. Just had a delivery, and this is from the postman. Hey, Mr. Postman! And I'm going to do an unboxing. This is some literature. I've been buying up Patek Philippe booklets and catalogs from the early 2000s because I think this stuff is going to be very, very hard to come by in coming years. Da 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 da. Oh, very interesting stuff I've got here. What I wanted was this. I've never actually seen. This is one of the full catalogs. I've never seen that from the 2000s. So I wanted this desperately. And I also got some vintage auction catalogs on Patek Philippe. Patek Philippe and Grand Classique. Ooh, very interesting indeed. There's some really interesting. So this catalog here, I've never seen this one. This is from 2002. That's sort of the glory days of Patek Philippe. A Grand Classique from Patek Philippe. Let's see if it's got my watches. I think it would. It would have oh, there we go. We got 5035. Yes, sirree. We should. It's got the. Ooh, and the world time. Yes, sirree. Yes, sirree. We've got the world time here. 2002. They would have also they would have also had the 5107, I think. Oh no. Oh yes, it does. It's got the 5107, which I love that watch. It's also got the 3998. Wow. So there you go. I really wanted. I didn't even know that existed in hardback form there. So there's also another auction catalog for Patek and Pussy. Patek and Pussy. Some Bonhams auctions there. Yeah, cool. Very interesting to. Very, very interesting to see this sort of shit. You don't see this stuff much. Hard to get that sort of stuff. And also, I've already got this magazine, but it came as a a package deal, a combo burger meal deal, hunger buster. I've already got that catalog. What does it review? Let's just have a look. Oh, actually, it's got a few interesting things in it. What period was that from? Oh, that was when the art exhibition in London. That's cool. That's a very, very cool. That's cool. I really yeah. So there you go, guys. I keep an eye out on the catalogs, and I've never seen this book. I think I have seen this at a dealer. So this is the full book. Wow. You just add to your collection of books and some auction catalogs. I think that's quite handy. I've never seen that one. So, you know, these are quite valuable sources of information to have there. So, yeah, there you go, guys. Just doing a bit of Patek. I've got that's why I like to concentrate on Patek late 90s, early 2000s, so I can get all the literature and booklets from that period. So if anyone out there has similar booklets like that and you don't want them, I'm glad you could easily post them to me. My PO box is down in the description down below. I would love to give these a home and look after them. It's not really the financial aspect of these booklets which is important, although I can imagine in 20 years time these will be quite valuable. It's the fact that it's just such a cool reference source to have there. It's a very cool reference source. You can look up what the specs were, and I think it's very cool. I had the smaller booklets. They didn't normally give these ones out. They were hard to get. So there you go. That's how it is. This is catalog 2002, 2003. Interesting period there. Yeah, very interesting period. So the Patek Philippe's. This is, see, they normally didn't give these ones out. You had to have bought a watch. And you know how I am as far as buying retail. I don't buy retail. Retail's for suckers. So I must say that's a very, very nice book to have. So yes, there you go, guys. That's the Patek Philippe books and magazines and auction catalogs. I like to collect them. So if anyone's got any you don't want, please, you can post them to me. I would love to have 80s and 90s ones, but that's very hard to get there. Very hard. 70s and 60s. I mean, the 60s they had them out. They had catalogs out. You just don't see them. You just don't see them, unfortunately. So yeah, they're just adding slowly. It's such a small collectible you can add to your collection there. So I love them. I love those catalogs. They're very, very good to have. Okay, guys, that's my Patek arrival. That's the some catalogs came in. Tell me what you think, guys. Like, subscribe, and tell your friends. I want to promote KK Design, which is a San Diego-based interior designer who specializes in full-service residential and boutique-style commercial spaces from start to finish. Reach her and check out her work at www.katek.design. Kate K all the way. I want to introduce a new company. This is Fame City Property Solutions. That's correct. They're located in Northeast Ohio. And Fame City Property Solutions replaces non-efficient lights with energy-saving LED lighting. Now, I gotta tell you, the guys at Fame City, they will install energy-saving LED lights at office buildings, commercial warehouses, home improvement stores, grocery stores, schools, parking lots, and other residential homes. Now, you can email these guys at famecitypropertysolutions@gmail.com. That's all one word there. famecitypropertysolutions@gmail.com.